we're back for another Heavenly Techniques, and I have a few of our biggest fans here along with my sister, and we are so excited to show you how to sprinkle cover a cake. Do y'all like sprinkles? Of course, everyone loves sprinkles, and this is the easiest way to cover a cake, especially for a beginner. So let's show you exactly how to do it. Sounds good? All right, I have a crumb-coated cake, and I have taken it out of the fridge. I got a thin layer of buttercream just on the outside, and then I have a piece of wax paper that I'm gonna sit on top just so our icing will not peel off at the end. So I stuck this on top, and then I have just a 6-inch board, which is the size of my cake, that will hold on top so that I can hold my cake. So I'm gonna pick up my cake from the bottom, and this way you can hold your cake evenly. And then I have just a ton of different colored sprinkles in my cake pan, and I'm gonna shake it out flat and lay my cake directly on top and roll outwards, covering the cake in sprinkles. Is that cool? And then I'll shake it out again and just keep going until I go all the way around. So now that you have your covered cake, you can sit it down and then just peel your parchment paper or wax paper off and cover the top. Isn't this cool? All right, y'all, it's that simple, so quick. We did it in maybe 2 minutes, and I think y'all could do it too, couldn't you? It's so simple, and remember, friends are the sprinkles on the cupcake of life.